you are a Minecraft fan and you would like to start recording your own gameplays and publish your videos on YouTube. So, you find out that you need good thumbnails to make people click your videos in order to watch them, but don't have editing skills. If you have a Canva subscription, you better use it now. Canva has a great option called Generate Design. Just use a simple prompt. Detailed prompts do not work here. You will be amazed at the results. If you like this video, please consider liking it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.